Hey guys, this is Bharadwaj with Phonoreno.com and this is the LG G Watch R that we have here powered by Android Wear. So this is only the second Android Wear smartwatch with a circular display. That's what the R is known for. So R is round and this has a round display. That's why it's called the G Watch R. The first LG smartwatch was the G Watch, again powered by Android Wear, was sort of like a Nexus device for kickstarting the Android Wear platform. It was very basic, but this time LG has brought its own technology, plastic OLED display from the G Flex, and it should be really interesting to see how the results are like, because the displays have been so far very disappointing on the Android Wear side. So we're going to unbox this and take a look at the device to see how it is. It does look really appealing. I'm giving you a sneak peek here right away. So it does look really appealing. So we're going to take a look at the device in this unboxing video. Let's go ahead. So let's straight away take a look at the highlights over the back of the box. It's powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, 1.2 GHz. That's the Snapdragon 400 with 1 core activated, 3 cores deactivated for saving power. There is also the 1.3-inch full circle plastic OLED display, like I mentioned before, used in the G Flex, and this should probably be the USP of this watch. And it's a full circle POLED because the earlier one that had a circle display, that's the Moto 360 that I have here, has a cut at the bottom, and that is for accommodating the display electronics. But thankfully LG has subverted that and installed electronics around the face of the watch by making it more sportier and much better to look at for some. It is dependent on personal opinion, of course. And then there is the barometer, not seen on other devices. Barometer is used for measuring pressure. There is the 9-axis motion sensor, that's the gyro and the accelerometer, and the battery is also high capacity, 9.2 millimeters of thickness on the watch, so you get 410 mAh battery, a mic, and there is also IP67 water and dust resistance. So without further ado, let's open the box and take a look at the G Watch R here. So that's the watch. It's there on the platform. Let me keep that aside for a while. We'll be taking a look at the watch, but first quickly take a look at the box contents here. That's the quick start guide. That's the travel adapter, pretty normal. It'll be having a USB cable, of course. That's the USB cable. And there is the large charging platform for accommodating the full watch. So you just need to plug this on the back and use the USB cable for charging. So that's how it works. And then there is also the important safety and regulatory information. So that's about it for the box contents. Let's take a look at the watch now. This is the watch. Let's see how we can remove it. Also has a very similar leather strap like the Motorola Moto 360. You can see the comparison here. Both have pretty much similar straps made of leather, real leather. And yeah, that's the difference in the bezels when compared to the 360 versus the G Watch R. You can see there is a sporty dial that surrounds the circular display so that LG can hide the display electronics, but unfortunately Motorola's design dictated that they have a strip at the bottom. And you can see the thickness here. The thickness is also slightly more on the Moto 360. In fact, the LG G Watch R is 9.2 millimeters. The Moto 360 should be pretty much similar. So anyway, let's concentrate on the G Watch now. Let's turn it on. This is the button to turn it on. That's the LG logo, of course. Let's quickly go through the watch. Again, display on the front, plastic OLED. You can see the viewing angles are stunning already. Let's see how it is in the outdoors. We'll be testing it out. And yeah, only button is at the right. That's the crown, but actually is a button. You can't screw or turn it around. And over the back here, the charging contacts, and this is the PPG used to measure your heart rate. So that's basically the heart rate sensor, and also has the barometer and so on. This looks to be the microphone or maybe something else, but yeah, that's about it for the G Watch R. And this is Android Wear. Boot it up. Let's quickly set it up. The display is completely washed out because the plastic OLED is incredibly bright. You can see the text now, but you can't now. So we'll be changing the brightness on it, and the battery indicator says it's 89%. Not sure if you can see. So anyway, let's quickly set it up and come back to you. So there you go, that's the G-Watch R completely set up with my phone. This is the always on display, and once you touch the screen you get the full circular dial. I already started getting these notifications, the Google Now cards and so on. It's definitely Android Wear, the same as the other watches but with a circular display. It doesn't work so well in the circular display because it's kind of weird, the alignment is not too right, and yeah, it's kind of weird, but the watch faces are really nice. LG have done a good job. So since there is a barometer, it can even calculate the altitude that comes. So let me just mute for a while the notifications, and you can take a look at the complete watch face here. So it definitely shows the altimeter, but the altimeter is dependent on the barometer. Barometer will tell the pressure, and according to the pressure it calculates the altitude. That's what the card says. And otherwise, yeah, it's pretty much the circular display here being the hero. You can see how good it is in any light. We'll be testing out the outdoor visibility, but for now we are really impressed with the display. The display is all that matters on the G-Watch R, and it is cool. And of course it has all the Android Wear goodness. You long press and you change the watch face. You can see how good and how many watch faces you get on the G-Watch R. So the animation is also good, and yeah, these are normal, but these are the circular ones that we get. Really cool, and they almost resemble a real watch when done. You can see that someone is actually wearing a normal watch, not a smart watch, because it does look like that. So these are the watch faces, really cool ones that you have, and really funky ones too, like this one. So yeah, that's the G-Watch R first look. It is really cool, looks really cool, and the display is again amazing. You can see that quite literally in any viewing angle you can see the time. That's what matters for smartwatches, and the always on seems to be really good. So yeah, that's the G-Watch R first look and unboxing. Do hit the like button if you like this video, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already for more videos like these. Thanks for watching again, and let us know what you think in the comment section below.